Marcos from ECCPP Auto Parts, here with our chrome detailed, upgraded tow mirror built for any 2007 through 2014 Ford F-150. Our tow mirror is designed to be manual folding and manual extending, which increases road safety and visibility. In addition, it also has the same 3-pin mounting locations and OE connector as your vehicle for easy installation. Our tow mirror is also built with a puddle light, an integrated amber light turn signal, a lower panoramic mirror, and an upper adjusted power mirror with power heating. Both mirrors have a combined length of 12 inches by 8 inches, and the overall mirror itself has a length of 20 inches when closed. Once extended, it reaches up to 23 inches, maximizing your road safety and visibility. Our tow mirror is designed as a low vibrating, high quality mirror that replaces your old one and updates the look and functionality of your vehicle.